Ever wonder what really goes on inside your computer? Forget what you think you know about simple electricity and code. What if, deep within the heart of the machine, there's a world we can't see? A world built not of concrete and steel, but of pure data and electricity. Let's take a journey. We start with the brain of the operation, the central processing unit, the CPU. It looks like a simple square chip sitting on the motherboard, glowing under cool blue light. But this is just the gateway. Imagine we could shrink down, smaller than a grain of sand, and dive right into its core. Suddenly, we're not in a room anymore. We're flying through shimmering electric tunnels. These are the circuits, the pathways where information travels at the speed of light. All around us, data pulses and flows like a river of stars. It's a breathtaking digital universe, a testament to human ingenuity. And then, as we emerge from a tunnel, we see it. A city, a sprawling, futuristic metropolis built upon the very architecture of the chip. Skyscrapers made of logic gates pierce the digital sky, while neon data streams flow like traffic through intricate avenues. Millions of tiny processes, each one a citizen of this Silicon City, go about their business, executing the commands we give them every second. This hidden city is what powers our digital lives, a perfectly synchronized dance of light and information. But even in this perfect world, chaos can strike. A stray command, a surge of power, a tiny error. A digital corruption begins to spread like a dark virus through the glowing city. The neon lights flicker and distort. Buildings crumble into pixels. The once orderly data streams become chaotic torrents. This is a glitch, a system crash in its most terrifying form. The city inside the CPU is facing its own apocalypse, threatening to bring our entire digital world down with it. Just when it seems all is lost, a new force emerges. A brilliant, cleansing energy surges through the corrupted circuits. This is the fix, the antivirus, the system restore. It moves like a wave of pure light, pushing back the darkness, repairing the broken pathways, and rebuilding the pixelated structures. The glitch recedes, consumed by the heroic burst of light, but order is restored. The city is saved, its neon glow brighter than ever before, ready to continue its silent, crucial work. So next time you power on your computer, remember the incredible hidden world within. The city in the chip, constantly working, building, and sometimes fighting for its own survival. All to bring your digital experience to life. It's a universe we created, yet one we so rarely get to see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unseen.